What is the best investment in life? Is it stocks, real estate, or fixed deposit? No, it is something that we have plenty every single day. It's time. Time is the best investment with highest returns. Steve Jobs said that our most precious resource is time. And if we invest that time in ourselves in a meaningful way, then we can change our lives. When I say meaningful way, it means a way which can help us to grow, help us to improve. Let's think about it. Say our average life expectancy is 69 years, which is approximately 25,000 days and 6 lakh 44,440 hours. So the way we spend the 6 lakh hours decides our life. So how do we invest our time in ourselves? Let me give you 6 different practices that can be done. Number one, learning. There's never an end for learning, and if we think we know everything, then we stop learning. It is important that we keep our mind open for learning. Learning can be through any means, say through videos or through podcast or by reading a book. Choose the best way of learning for yourself. Number two, being healthy. Investing our time in mental and physical health is necessary. Meditation can help us to calm our mind and improve our concentration, and exercises can help us to increase our energy. Number three, creativity. The world needs a lot of people who are creative, who can come up with creative solutions to real life problems. When we spend time with ourselves, we can explore a lot of creative ideas. A creative idea can pop up anytime. We need to just stay focused on our ideas. Anytime we may get a great creative idea. Next one, intuition. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. This was said by Steve Jobs. In most cases, our intuition is almost right, but we just ignore the intuition and we just hear to the other voice of the mind and we follow it. Just try listening to your intuition and see the change. Most people are as happy as they make their mind to be. Abraham Lincoln said this. We have a limited life and we need to focus more on our happiness. Happiness is something within us. Smaller things can give us a greater happiness. Maybe going for a walk or feeding the pet or donating something. Anything can give us a happiness. We need to keep doing what makes us happy. Identify your mentor or role model or inspiration. It is good to have one or more inspirations. It actually helps us to grow. It helps us to follow them and reach a greater heights of success. We can define the goals and grow fast when we have a true inspiration. We have time for our games, friends, neighbors, pets, and gossips. But how much time do we actually spend for ourselves? The time we spend for ourselves is the first step to grow and change our life. Warren Buffett beautifully said that the rich invest in time and the poor invest in money. Choose your investment wisely. Let me know how you're going to invest your time. Leave your comments below and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like, share, and subscribe to get regular updates.